In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a column chart with a quota or target line in Power BI. This method is perfect when your target is a fixed figure that remains consistent across all categories or over a specific period. Let's dive into preparing the column chart. First, you'll want to create a standard column chart. To do this, select your data set and plot your categories along the x-axis. Next, drag your actual values into the Values field. Once you've got your basic chart set up, it should give you a good visual representation of your data points. Now, let's move on to the Analytics pane. This feature in Power BI offers a range of powerful tools to enhance your visualizations. Select your newly constructed chart and open the Visualizations pane. Within it, you'll find an icon or tab dedicated to Analytics. Click on that. Here, you're going to locate the constant line option. In some versions, this might be labeled as a benchmark or reference line, so keep an eye out for those terms. Adding and configuring the line is our next step. Start by clicking on the option to add a constant line. A dialog will prompt you to enter the value of your quota or target. This value is the benchmark against which you're comparing your actuals. Although it's just one simple line, it's an incredibly effective way to convey whether the actual performance meets the desired target. The formatting of the line plays a crucial role in how your chart communicates information. It is advisable to edit features such as the color and the style of the line. For instance, you might want to select a bold, contrasting color that stands out, ensuring it's neither too subtle nor too overpowering, perhaps a bright red or blue. You can also choose between a solid or dashed line style, depending on what looks best and is most distinct with your data. Pay attention to display units and labeling as well, which can lend additional context and clarity to your visualization. Further customize by setting the position or adjusting the transparency of the line if it overlaps with your data. Finally, let's fine-tune our chart to ensure its maximum readability. Begin by turning off or adjusting axis titles and data labels. This step is crucial to ensure that the target line remains visible and doesn't get obscured by other elements in your presentation. You may also want to reorder the layers, or bring the target line to the front or push it to the back. This will depend on what enhances readability and clarity for your specific chart. Often, such small adjustments can significantly improve how effectively your chart communicates the key insights. And there you have it, a professional-looking column chart with a quota line in Power BI. This tool is a simple yet powerful way to visually benchmark your actuals against your set targets, making data-driven decision-making easier than ever.